Nonprofits, lawmakers, community members, and the Connecticut for All Coalition packed the legislative office building in Hartford to discuss how important some of these human and social services programs are. They're calling on Governor Ned Lamont and other state leaders to establish protections for these programs that could be facing potential budget cuts.
We're standing up to demand what we deserve. That's right. That's right.
Two different rooms.
I figured senators on that side.
Both filled with people on the same mission, fighting for protections for vulnerable and underrepresented people in the state. Heather Gates, president and CEO of Community of Health Resources, shared why mental health services is just one of many that need protecting.
We have 150 adults with mental health and substance use come to our door every week. That's weekly for help. The need is going up, and the funding is not keeping pace.
Some of these nonprofit leaders say they were notified about a $12 million funding cut in January. The decision was later reversed, but now leaves leaders like Daniel Resto and his team at Bridges Healthcare worried about stability.
This 24-hour period caused panic, fear, confusion, frustration. Had these funds been cut, it would have affected critical programs in Connecticut, particularly our agency. I speak to a woman. She said to me, I don't know what I would have done if I didn't have this service.
These potential funding cuts don't just have nonprofits worried. Across the hallway in the LOB, the CT for All Coalition launched its Stand Up for Connecticut campaign. Seth Freeman says they're aiming to restructure the way the state's tax system works to better benefit working class families.
The Stand Up Connecticut agenda is about putting the needs of working families, white, black, and brown, ahead of the needs of wealthy corporations and billionaires.
State Representative Jason Duquette says the most recent tax incident report shows the more money someone makes in the state, the less money you pay as a percentage of your income. He described this as an upside-down tax structure that hurts working class families.
We'll put money back into low and middle income households at a time when they need it the most. Not only because of the federal cuts that I've just mentioned, but because of tariffs and inflation that have created a very real affordability crisis.
In the upcoming legislative session, the Nonprofit Alliance is looking to add $155 million above what the current budget already allows to try to protect some of those human and social services. The Stand Up for CT campaign is looking to moderately add a tax surcharge to the state's highest earners and moderately adjust fiscal guardrails. In Hartford, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.